Hey there, you are in this video because you want to learn copywriting for free and I catch you there. We are going to share you the top secret used by the top marketers in the world, how you can leverage other people's hard work money and make your copywriting skills an expert one, everything in this video. Now before we start, if you are new to my channel Mr. Influencer is all about how you can make a living from your home, quit your job and living a life of your freedom. So if you are that person, I invite you to smash the red button and with the bells on. So without wasting time, let's hop into today's content, copywriting. Now before I share with you the hacks, I want you to know a basic about copywriting. What is copywriting? Copywriting is basically a web page. People call it landing page. What you have to write there, it's totally print. Okay, you just need to print in words which attracts the audience. That's simple as that. So let's pretend this is the web page. All right, okay, this is a web page. In a web page, so the first thing comes to copy is what I call a headline. Okay, your headline is the first thing which gets to your audience. If your headline is not good, guess what, all are out of the landing page. Okay, most of the audience, you might have spent money on your traffic or spending on landing page software, everything will go waste. So you need to focus on what's the heading. Okay, heading is the first part. And then secondly, what I want to do is a heading. So let me go in deep into heading. A heading may be something, the first word is the key to the person is coming to your landing page and he sees the first word. If the first word is not attractive, guess what, he will go out of the page. So the first word must be very, very important. The first word can be breaking, finally, like something, wait, new, no one knew this, finally, weight loss made easy. So the headline is the key to your audience will see the entire page. So heading is very, very important. And the second thing is what I call is your image of your product. Now it might be an image, maybe you're serving your consultancy services, whatever it may be, a photo of it. Okay, let me show you that. A photo. A photo there, and then what next to the photo, I want you to put another thing of benefits, everything about your product, what your product is going to solve the problem. Okay, all that in bullet points, an image there and the benefits on the side. So the first one is the heading, then the photo here, and then what are the benefits of your products. And the second thing which the fourth thing, okay, the fourth thing which I call is social proof. Why not? Without social proof, copywriting is there is no skin in the game. So you need social proof. Okay, and then last but not the least, what I call is a very important thing, call to action, where you want your audience to go after clicking on that button. So this is basically a web page. Okay, a copywriter must know all these things. As a copywriter, everyone must know like this. Now you need to testing. Okay, it's not like your first page is gonna kill it, your conversions are not killing it. It's not like that. You need to play with the heading and the call to action button. So let me take you earn money online niche. Okay, the heading might mean finally a system which will make you money when you are asleep. Okay, something like heading. So if I am doing a copywriting, what I will do is I will change the heading then and there. I will change the call to action button. Okay, sign up here to learn more, or maybe get instant access, something like that. What I will do is do testing with the heading and with the call to action. I will set a heading and in one page, and another I will change the heading. I will send traffic to both the pages, and I will see which converts the best, and which one converts, the other one I will kill it, and I will keep the converting pages. That's very simple. Okay, now this is the thing, copywriting, you need to all know this. Okay, and extra bonus tip which I want you to give is what we call 4 tips. Okay, I got the 4 tips for you. The first one is social proof. Okay, as seen on entrepreneur.com, CNN, White House, like that. You need to have some social proof. Okay, that makes people who are coming to the landing page understand that okay, this guy has the thing, this guy can kill it, so they have a trust on you. So number 1 is social proof, and the second thing is urgency. Okay, people are by nature are very lazy. You need to make them a lazy to active person acting right now. Okay, you need to put an urgency on your web page, on your landing page. So urgency may be a countdown. Okay, if you don't take action like this one day, if you don't take action in one day, the price goes up to 200% or something like that, something which creates urgency. That's very great. Now third thing is scarcity. Okay, what I want you to do is only 10 products left. After, if you come after that, we will not able to supply you the products. Okay, that creates scarcity. It makes the people take action right away. And the fourth thing is what I call is fear of loss, which is called FOMO, fear of missing out. If you don't action right away, we will not give you the product or something like that. So these 4 bonus tips is really worth it, thousands of money. But you might be thinking why this guy is gonna helping you, giving so much value for free. It's because when I first get started, I didn't have the money to learn all these skills. Okay, I totally relate to your shoes, and if you're just starting, I recommend you to totally get this all the things, try it out, and I can guarantee you, because I don't know you will take steps or not, but if you take the steps, all the things which I show, I guarantee you that you will succeed as a copywriter, and your conversion rates will go very high. So this is the outline of a landing page. Now here is the thing, what top internet marketers use this and very few share it outside, is that this trick. Now instead of saying I like you to share with live. Okay, now for this example, let me take a niche of earn money online. I need to open Google, a tab, Facebook and YouTube, and let's get 3 examples. What I will do is I will search for the same keyword in Google, in Facebook and YouTube, and all the ads will pop up like you see here. Ready to make money online, digital income system, how to make money online, premium online work. So for this keyword there are 4 ads for me. If I remove USA, there will be some other ads like as you can see here, and I just kind of play around here. What I will do is go through some 10 to 20 ads, okay, online for free. Okay, and let me go into this one, ready to make money online, digital income system, and I will see where that page is going and see the entire landing page like you see here. What do these people have that you don't? Very catchy headline. So it becomes curiosity that, oh, what do they have that I don't have? Okay, you get it, right? The secret to 100% hands-free income delivered straight to your front door. Okay, then they are asking their email, first name and the phone number to get your instant access. Now what I will do is I will take the screenshot of this landing page. Okay, it's only one. I'll go back and then click on the second link, and I'll see how their landing page is. Okay, this is a landing page. Okay, what I will do is I'll take a screenshot of this as well, and I'll go back again and replace the keyword little bit like USA, and then I'll click on that and I'll see how their landing page is, what keywords have they used, and then same I will screenshot it, and I'll all the screenshot but people like you can see here, click funnels. Okay, a social proof, free training session, another headline, Free is very attractive by you to your audience. How you can use my 8-figure funnel to build your own online business. Next class. So it's basically a class which is inviting you. You need to put the email address here, and boom, you get a free ebook. That's basically lead magnet. He's selling his free ebook and getting your email. Okay. So the intention of doing is open Google tab, Facebook tab, and YouTube tab. Type the same keyword and go to as many landing pages as you can. Take a screenshot of all the things, and then what I want to do is come to Google Docs. Google Docs is totally free. So all the screenshots which have you taken, I want you to create a blank document and then put in there all the screenshots, okay, of one by one, 1, 2, 3, 4. And what I like to do is I'll copy the URL as well. So because in the future, if I like that landing page, what I'll do is go to that URL and see whether they have changed something or not. And if they have changed, guess what, I am going to change as well. So it's very powerful technique. Very top entrepreneurs, trust me, online marketers, use this technique, because you don't need to hire you need to pay thousands of dollars to hire a copywriter. It's free work, okay? You are leveraging other people's hard work. Someone has paid thousands of money to the copywriter to do that thing, and you are taking advantage of that and making good amount of money. Now I want you to comment below if this video is helping you, because I really want you to know, because there is no other way I can contact you. Your comment section tells me that you are getting the thing or not. And also I wonder if I am very fast. If I am very fast, then please let me know in the comment section. I'll take care from the next videos. So that's the whole thing, okay? Heading, a photo, benefits of the product, social proof, and call to action. So that's the thing. Another 4 tips. First one is scarcity, second one is urgency, third one is social proof, fear of missing out, FOMO, which I call FOMO, and the last thing is scarcity. That's the thing you need to do. And trust me, first you need to start it. You can totally leverage other people's hard work, and then as you go on, I highly recommend you to hire a mentor to go to the next level of the life. But to start with, it doesn't cost you anything to go to Facebook, Google and YouTube and see the landing pages. Cost you nothing, okay? Now I have shown you the basics, as you can see here, how a landing page looks like. So I don't know what else you want. I gave you the tools, I gave you the methods, and it's totally up to you to take the leverage of this video, apply all the things you learned, and then boom, be successful. Now if you have not yet subscribed, I invite you again to smash that red button, because I'll be putting so much free content here, because I truly believe that when I get started, I was very helpless, okay? I didn't have the money as well. Now the intention of this channel is totally to help you. If you have no money, that's okay. I'll give you all the free methods which I know that will help you grow off the ground. Talk to you soon.